you want your employees to be motivated even though they are working from home? Do you want your team to have high levels of productivity and ownership? Most importantly, do you want your leaders to have the emotional intelligence to lead people effectively during these uncertain times? I am sure you do. The great news is I have created a unique digital leadership training program which is not only completely online but gives people specific measurable results. Results like 20% increase in their motivation, 20% increase in their productivity and ownership skills, 20% increase in their emotional intelligence to handle uncertainty, and 20% increase in their virtual team management skills. Now these are only few of the results of the program, but you must be wondering, how can I be so confident of the results that I can produce in this leadership program? Well, that's because we've created a unique digital methodology which retains the benefits of actual classroom training program, where people are full of energy, where people feel as if they are part of training program in a one classroom, even though they are attending from multiple platforms all over the world, where people have personal experiences which gives them long-term impact. The best part is digital leadership training program is completely customized based on your organizational means. I'm sure you're curious to understand how exactly I achieve these results, these great results for my clients. Well, there's a link below in this video. Once you click on this link, we'll be able to create an appointment for a virtual Zoom meeting between both of us, and I'll tell you all about it when we meet very soon over there. My name is Vardhan Sahu. I'm a leadership trainer I'm a leadership trainer, a digital entrepreneur and coach. And I have had an opportunity and privilege to work with thousands of people, thousands of leaders all over the world, and I am able to give such typical results that I am able to create with them, which are 20%, 50% increase in their skills, and I am able to prove them measurably that they are able to get an upgrade in their skills. Let's talk about how can we do it for you too. I look forward to having a meeting with you very soon.